What are you doing, pretty girl? Good morning. Well, morning. It's like 10 a.m. We've been up since 8:30. It's let me get you guys caught up here. It's Friday the 26th, I believe. We're just cooking up some breakfast in Cali here. I know it's just a huge pile of bacon right now. We're gonna make some egg holes, I call them. People call it an egg in a nest, whatever. We're gonna make some of those. Gonna eat a ton of bacon. Not all that bacon. I'm gonna make a sandwich with it later. But yeah, we're gonna make some egg holes, eat a lot of bacon, and then kind of go do laundry and get caught up around here. We've worked the last 3 weeks basically without a day off. You know, you guys can keep up with our day-to-day on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Reels, Shorts or whatever. We're on those every day. I'm sorry I don't keep up daily with this, with the YouTube. I'd like to. I just don't have time right now. And then, you know, the videos are once a month, so it'd be. I've already got the videos are already too long. I can't add my day-to-day to those. So, unfortunately, we just gotta keep up kind of on the reels, if you would, if you want to. So, I hope you do. They're pretty good. Some of them have quite a bit of views. One of her silly videos, Run Around a Boat, has almost 3 million views, so that's pretty neat. It's pretty cool. It's exciting. Yeah, I can't think of anything else we were gonna do today, guys. I hate the ums. Anyways, we're gonna go do laundry. And there was something else I had to do. Yesterday we pumped the boat out, we washed all the decks down, sprayed the hull sides. I really want to paint it so bad. I just like to paint the hull sides and put gleam on my cap rail as soon as I'm done with all the sanding and everything, just because I can't stand it looking bad out there. I mean, it would be super easy to just tip and roll the hull for now, even sitting in the water, and you know, finish sanding and scraping my cap rails, which I've paused because the stuff that I've already done up forward, I've already done from up forward all this side, and halfway from up forward past halfway back, it's already turning gray again, and so I'm gonna have to sand it again just to coat it. And I'm back and forth fighting with, do I use gleam or a varnish, or do I oil it? We're gonna be once we leave here, we're going to be where it's always warm. I never want to be cold again. So people are saying just oil it if you're going to be in tropic areas. But I see a lot of people having good results with gleam, Total Boat Gleam. So I'm probably going to give that a shot, their satin finish, see how it works out. I don't want a super glossy because we're going to do the main part of the hull is going to be a gloss. And then the boot stripe and waterline I'm going to do in a flat color, the same color but flat, and then the same with the wood trim underneath the cap rail. There's like no barking. She's barking at seals out here. Violet, stop it. Like I was saying, there's a 6-inch wood. I don't know what you would call it. Underneath the cap rail, there's about a 6-inch 1 by 6, all underneath the cap rail, all the way around the boat. So I'm going to do that in the flat color as well. And you guys could probably watch my videos and figure out which colors I'm painting this boat and how she's going to look. But if not, you're going to have to wait and see. It's going to be a bit of a surprise. And I'm sure I'm going to get a lot of grief about it. I don't know. We're going to find out, but I think it's going to look killer. This boat's going to look sick. I'm changing the color of the non-skid, and the decks will stay white, but then the non-skid I'm going to do in a darker, kind of lightish gray, but not too light, like a slate gray, I guess. And then the hull sides and everything else, you're going to have to stay tuned to find out. It's going to be sick. This boat's going to look sick. So I think I'd like to do that sooner than later, because I'm so sick of her looking rough on the outside when she's a solid boat, and she don't deserve to look like that. She's just been neglected. So I got get some gleam, do some woodwork, because there's a couple spots of softwood on that underneath the cap rail. The cap rail is solid all the way around, but underneath it, that 1x6, it's teak and it goes all the way around, but it's been neglected to death. And there's a few spots where she's really punky and soft, and you can shove a blade clean through to the hull side. Luckily, it's just aesthetic. It's not structural in any way or holding anything back. I'd also like to add, I'm trying to find some perfect size scuppers, I think is what they're called. And I'd like to put at least 4 scuppers down the bulwarks, down the hull sides right here, and probably 2 more on the upper deck. The aft deck is higher, so I'd probably like to put at least 2 more on there. So yeah, we got to straighten all that out. Anyways, I'm rambling. It's 6 minutes of my BS. We're gonna finish cooking and go about the rest of the day, guys. I hope you're having a great day, and I hope you have a good weekend. I'll talk to you soon. They say it's better late than never, right? I'm just cleaning the floors. I got some breakfast made. I don't want to eat until these floors are drying, so we're just, yeah, it looks like chocolate milk, I know, but the floors are too wet to go back, and it's okay. We're just going to continue on just getting a general wipe down of the floors, getting them cleaned up a little bit. They're really dirty. Yummy. I already vacuumed the floors really well. At least it's not a total bloody mess. Somewhat clean. I'm just smearing chocolate water everywhere. It's better than this. And I'll most likely do all this, let it dry, fill that bucket up, and do it all again. Because that's why. I don't want to walk back down there right now, because I'm going to be tracking up what I just cleaned. I guess it don't matter, does it? I should really swap this water out. Yeah. It's pretty gross looking. Let's get new water. What we're cleaning with, it smells pretty good. Cleaner, disinfectant. I'll probably use way too much of it as far as the amount. Some hot water. And fill it up. I know this isn't much for boat work YouTube footage, but this gives me peace of mind. Plus it's dust and dog hair and everything else. That makes it smell better. Yes, I'm just wearing my long john pants, sorry. Super comfy. And they're warm. Sorry if you can't hear me. I am busy cleaning. Okay. Alright, okay. Well, let's wipe this down a bit. Sorry, guys. Didn't mean to flip you up there. How are my hands still dirty? Like where I touch somewhere, it leaves handprint. Just want everything clean. spent yesterday switching everything over to there. What's happening? Sorry I don't have my mic on like usual, but this was like a spur of the moment, mid-cooking. Figured I'd hop on here because I had this vision last night. It didn't really have a lot to do with this, but this is, oh, it smells so good in this boat. I'm so happy. This is the chain locker. Or anchor locker or whatever. It's huge. It's a lot of space. But I'm gonna make this a watertight bulkhead. So we're gonna make this a watertight bulkhead. It has nothing to do with my little vision the other night. Last night, this door is pretty thick. I think I can beef up the hardware and put 4 latches on it, and then that'll make it watertight. The whole vision I had, so I'm just nuking something easy to make. I'm starving. It's already 7 o'clock. I worked late, got back late. Don't mind my mess of an aft cabin. Let me see what you're seeing. So this right here goes all the way to the floor and is watertight, as you can see by down there underneath the steering. That little pool of water is just from the, you see that rust line? It's just from those bolts up there. Leak a little bit if it really rains hard. I'm going to make that line across there, I'm going to take right to the ceiling and make another watertight bulkhead, so that if anything back here ever leaks, or if this rudder post ever leaks, I just have this covering it up, just whatever. If any of that ever leaks, it'll be in here if we ever get hit in the back of the boat or whatever, even though this thing is thick as a tank. This is some thick glass, guys. You gotta come check the boat out if you ever get a chance. More than happy to show you around. This will be a watertight bulkhead all back here, right to the ceiling. And then I was thinking, about as wide as this area is right here, I want to cut that swatch out all the way to the back of the deck, and then all the way down to about, I'm going to get rid of that. That through-hull is for the generator, which I no longer have. The hose is just up there, capped off. So I'm going to get rid of that, and I'm going to cut all the way down to right to the bottom of there. 2 feet wide, all the way up through here. So we'll cut that big shape out of the boat. And I'm just going to make stairs from about right here. Can you see my hand? Where do we see? From about right at the back of this will be 1 step down, and then it'll be 5 more steps, and you'll be at the bottom of the transom. And then I'll just put a grate over it for when we're underway. And I want to build a little swim platform out of stainless pipe and teak that can just fold up when you're underway. And I think that'll be cool, and it's going to solve my getting Violet on the boat problem when we're in the tender, because it stands now. The freeboard on this boat is insane. It's built like a trawler, I guess you would say. Like a motor cruiser or whatever. There's just so much freeboard compared to any other sailboat. You roll up next to it on the tender, and it's a chore to get up there. You can climb up. I have a ladder on the back I can climb up, but not with Violet. She's 115 pounds. I need stairs, and they're going to go right through there. It's going to be the weirdest shit ever, but I can do it with closed cell foam and fiberglass. I can do it, and I think it's going to look cool. It's going to be really different. It'll serve its purpose. All I need is a way to walk up and down to the tender. It's easy for Violet. That's all I care about. I don't care about how it looks back there. All I care about is structural integrity and getting her on and off the boat easily and safely for her. So yeah, guys, it was just a weird. I was just laying there thinking about it. I'm like, you know what I'm gonna do? So yeah, it'll be interesting to see how that turns out. I've got lots of plans, guys. We just got to get this boat out of here. Because I can't do much of anything here. Well, it sounds like my food's done nuking, so I'm gonna throw a salad together and eat some microwave pizza, because that's all I got time for tonight. And I'll talk to you guys soon. I hope you had a great day. It's Monday, the September 29th, and I hope you had a great one. Talk to you soon. So let me know what you guys think about the whole transom idea. I need to come up with a clever way to get Violet on and off the boat. Sorry the videos aren't too exciting recently. We're getting there. We're coming up on some good stuff. I've been late with my videos lately because I've just been filming so much. I'm getting a lot done in real time here, and it's exciting, and I cannot wait to get the footage caught up to that point. So bear with us, guys. Thanks so much for being here and watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share it with your friends. If you're really loving this, you can always join the crew over on Patreon. It's just patreon.com/sailingUV. There's incentives to being on the Patreon crew, and it's all explained over there. You can support the channel through PayPal, Cash App, Ko-Fi, you know, if you're feeling up to it, or the Amazon wish list. It's all linked in the description below. If nothing else, don't forget to subscribe. It really helps us out here. We're gonna cut this video off here, and we will see you guys next week. Thanks so much for being here. You guys are awesome. The support is amazing, and before you know it, we'll have this boat sailing. See you guys.